both working on the camper today. I've done Tim's working on some fender skirting, I guess is what they would be called, and I have done like a one coat of this wipe on poly on most of the woodwork in here. So I'm just gonna hit it with a really fine sandpaper and go back over it again with a second coat. And the verdict is still out on how much I really like this wipe on poly. Maybe by the time I'm done I'll be able to tell you if I recommend it or not, but that's what we're doing today. Maybe this will really smooth it out.
You're recording.
Yeah. So I'm just whistling while I work. I have given everything a light sanding and just kind of wiped everything down, wiped the dust off. So I'm getting ready to use this wipe on poly product, and you have to just, you know, shake it up and pour it out on a cloth and wipe it on. So that's supposedly all there is with the polyurethane. I don't know if I'll have to see how good the finish is, like how thick it gets and how well it does over a little bit of time, but it's definitely easier than painting everything on, but I'm still not positive that I'll love it. I'll see how it goes after I don't know, a year or two.